Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be taking a look at some problems related to periodic properties for class 11. Let's get right into it. The first question is, the atom having the valence shell electronic configuration 4s2 4p2 would be in which group and which period? Now since the last electron enters the fourth orbit, we have the n or n quantum number equal to 4, which is the period, and the block is p block because p is the latest orbital into which the electron enters. Thus we would get the answer as group 4a and period 4. The electronic configuration of transition elements is exhibited by dash. Now obviously for transition elements, the valence electron enters the d orbital, so we would have ns0 to 2 and n minus 1 d 1 to 10. So we get that as option A. For the third question, it's given that the configuration for bromine 1 minus is configuration of argon followed by 3d10, 4s2 and 4p6. Thus, we have to find the electronic configuration of Br plus 2 and which element it is identical with. Now, Br plus 2 would have the same configuration as arsenic. Thus, the answer would be B because we have arsenic, selenium and then bromine. In the fourth question, we have to find the group to which the 4d3 5s2 configuration belongs to. Now since the electron last enters into the d orbital, it is of d block, thus it has to be some period with b in it, and since there are 3 electrons, it would be 3, 4 and then 5, so 5b. We have to find the electronic configuration in outermost shell for alkali metals in the fifth question. Now this directly we would get as n minus 1 s2, n minus 1 p6 and ns1. Now in the sixth question we have to find which statement is false. The typical elements lie in the third period because based on those most of the relations between elements have been given. The seventh period will accommodate 32 elements, which is true because we have 14 elements from the actinide series as well. Boron and silicon are diagonally related, and thus the elements of ns2np6 configuration does not lie in the first to sixth period. Thus A is false. In the seventh question, we have to find the name given to third period elements. This would be typical elements because halogens are part of group 17 and metalloids are distributed throughout the periods. Lanthanides are obviously group 3 period 6. Thus typical elements is the only option left. In the eighth question, we have to give the statement which tells us why in boron atom screening occurs. Now boron electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p1. Thus the screening of the electron in 2p1 is due to 2 electrons in both 1s and 2s. Thus option C is the answer. In the ninth question, it is given to us that the atomic number of an element is 58. We have to find the position of the element in the periodic table. Now we can write down the electronic configuration as follows: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2, 4p6, 5s2, 4f1, 4d1, 5d1 and 6s2. Now the latest electron enters the sixth orbit and we have group 3 and F block because we have 4F here. Thus it would belong to the 3b group and sixth period. In the 10th question, it is given to us that if there were 10 periods in periodic table, we need to find the maximum number of elements the period can comprise of. Now we know the relation between the first 7 elements, 7 periods, that is 2, 8, 8, 18, 18 and so on. Thus the 10th period can have 72 elements in total. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, then do share it to others as well. And I will see you in another video. Until then, thank you.